Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can make Bluetooth connection in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. First of all, bring any device that you want to be connected with this device. So here I bring another mobile OnePlus 7. So here you go to turn on Bluetooth. Go to notification area and turn on Bluetooth. And now come to your Samsung Galaxy A13 and go to Bluetooth. Just turn on Bluetooth and you will see available devices now. OnePlus 7 All Look P. That is the device name here. You see here device name. You can also change this name if you want. Click on device name and here you can edit. I just written OnePlus 7 and click OK. Now see in the Samsung Galaxy A13, long press on the Bluetooth and you will see OnePlus 7. Click on it and it will be pairing. Bluetooth pairing request passkey 925827 pair. Click on pair on both device and yes, it's connected. So in this way you can easily make Bluetooth connection between two mobiles, or you can make connection between your mobile and headset or whatever may be. So we can share some data through this Bluetooth connection. In this way you can easily make Bluetooth connection in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13 and share data through Bluetooth. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.